Star Wars. Revell seems to do an exceptionally good job for me personally on all the vehicles that are in Star Wars. As you can see, it's Disney now. We're going to be doing a TIE Fighter, the number 03605. This is a small one which has only got 22 parts. The challenge for me would be is as I'll go into is whether to keep the grey what it comes as or to spray it separate as a different grey. I've looked at it, I've looked at the kit, and I'll show you in a minute. The grey to me personally looks really good, and I think yeah, I'm unsure on how I'm going to actually if I spray this first and then put it together. The twin ion fighter used by the Imperial troops. It's one of the most frequently deployed starfighters. Features finely engraved surfaces, moving cockpit hatch, replica cockpit, pilot figure, and display stand. So this week I'm going to be starting on this one. Again, Revell 06, 07, 76, 79, 91, 332. I will be using Tamiya on this kit. I'm going to be using the lacquer paints to spray this up with the airbrush. But let's have a quick look in the box. So in the box you get obviously the safety advice for this kit. Has anybody ever read this? I don't think I've ever read this bit of paper. It's just basically a warning. So yeah, so in the instructions, we'll open them up. I've had a little look at these already, as you can see. I'd actually like that. I'm going to be spraying that black and then putting a lovely gloss on top of that as well, because I think that just looks brilliant. Nice bit of detail you can see in the picture there. Level 3, as with all Revell, they have really good instructions. They're going to show you the sprue. There's one decal in this. I'm just again as I said, I'll show you in a minute. The grey looks good, but they do recommend painting using C, which if I look on the back here is 76, but the 79, just seeing which is the F, it just feels like the 79 might be a better colour. Which ones they painted F? Well, they've used the outer rims as the F. So maybe using a bit more shades, using different colours of grey on this. But I'll show you now. I say it's just one decal putting it all together. So once it's all done, you just it's basically once you've done the inner bit, the outer bit you slot on, and that's it done. So yeah, and there's where the decal goes. A, C is a few D's, tiny drops of red. There, that's it really. So again, they've done it this grey, and I think it's all right. I think there's other people who may say different. I think it's close enough. Just look at the picture here. Would you not say that grey was close enough? I don't think the greys need painting. I think you get away with just spraying the blacks in. Look at the way that the markings, lovely soft. Just put a bit of tape up there on the edge or a little bit of Masco, and just spray all that black. As I said, it's a really nice colour grey. Or am I just, a bit of a clean up needed on the edges where they've broken off the sprue. So you've got them two bits there. This is the actual workings where the cockpit goes inside there. Nice bit of detail, definitely. Nice bit of detail. The clear, because you can open this and close this, which is good. I'm going to put that back in this box, so don't lose that bit. Again, the detail is very, very good. There's the seat, and there's the pilot. But yeah, just looking and just trying to, Detail's good. You could do a lot of weather in here and really make that shine. Make it really, really punch. Some bits there. So yeah, it's going to be a lovely little kit to build. This is my project for this week. And yeah, and there's the stand. Seeing what year it is. 2012, this kit, it looks like. So a quick look, see if any other markings on the kit, which will know there isn't anything. No other markings on the kit that says anything. So yeah, it's a 2012 kit. So I'll be doing that this week. So this is, again, the Revell Level 3, 1 to 110, 22 parts, 92mm wide, a TIE Fighter 03605. And yeah, and I'll do a quick build on this. Brilliant.